What's up, guys? Bingo here with initial impression for like an early use review of this Red Tiger Dashcam F7NP or something, and it's just a quick video audio quality check, and to show everyone what it's like getting an entry level Dashcam. And so far, initial impressions for me is that it's pretty good. It works. It's not sure how long it's gonna be working well, but the features are pretty basic, you know. It does its job. It takes video. The video quality is pretty nice, and I've reviewed some of the daylight footage, and I'm quite impressed, to be honest. Right now I'm running at 4K 30 frames per second on 5-minute loops, so this video is just gonna be 5 minutes long. I'm gonna make it like a 10-minute video. So what I wanted to show was like the night time quality for this camera, because I think that's pretty good impression or benchmark for like the quality that you get with the dash cam. So I also wanted to talk about setting up the dash cam. It's really easy and quick. It's pretty much it has the suction cup, which is surprisingly sticking well even when it's exposed under 25 degrees Celsius of like direct sunlight for the whole day. And it's also like summertime in Australia, so that's like 10-12 hours, lots of hours of sunlight lately. And the video quality, it's got different options. The highest is like the 4K 30 frames per second, as I was saying, which is the one I'm using right now. But you can go like 2.5K at 60 frames per second as well, and maybe at like a 1080p 120 frames per second. So I haven't actually checked any of the nighttime videos, so what you see, what I upload is pretty much it. I think it's right before, when I was on the freeway, it was quite a dark environment. I'm getting the preview right now, which looks pretty convincing. And yeah, all I can say is that so far this dashcam is doing its job pretty good, and for its price I'm really happy for it. Setting it up is quite easy, just gotta have to do some cable management, which I really don't want to show my cable management right now. It's just I can't be bothered to fix it, but it's there. It's mounted up here right on my windshield. And yeah, if anyone's interested to buy this dashcam, maybe see for yourself, try it out. I cannot guarantee or say anything about reliability though, because I've only been using it for the past 3 days, I think. Yeah, 3 to 4 days for now, for about 3 to 4 days now. And with the SD card, I put my own SD card so that the files are not corrupted. The one that came with it, I just chuck it maybe as like a backup. But yeah, regarding this initial review, I'll probably make another follow-up maybe after a few weeks, how it holds up, how it goes. But it's pretty decent, I would say. It works. All right, that's the best I could say for it. It works. The image quality is pretty nice, and yeah, enjoy the rest of this driving experience. I'm just going back home right now from the airport, and I think I actually have more light here, and I'll see you guys in the next video.